Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Algo. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Algo. Now, I'm going to start with this. Now, this is something I talked about in previous videos. I think this was a great idea right from the start. Lofty, where you could invest in real estate without a lot of money. And people always said in the comments, well, what can I expect in returns? Now they have it on their website. Earn an estimated 6% plus APY. The greater the spend in the lofty real estate trading marketplace, the greater your return. What I always liked about it is instead of buying a whole house, you can invest in this property for as little as $50. And if you don't like that investment, you could pull your money out and put it into a different house without buying and selling a whole property or a whole house. That's why I thought this project was always great, and it's built on Algorand. I love seeing Algorand ads online. Instant finality, more scalable than Ethereum. Blockchain built for purpose. And we know it's faster than Ethereum as well. You know, most of the people that are still on Ethereum are people that have been investing in it for a long time. And they get used to those fees and the congestion. But builders and projects that are there are starting to jump ship little by little because they realize there's much better networks out there, such as Algorand. Bank of Italy, FinTech Milano Hub, Call for Proposal 2022, list of selected projects. Now you see Algorand, government bond tokenization platform. Tokenization is going to be something huge in the future. I've been talking about it a lot lately because it's a multi-trillion-dollar industry and we're so early in the crypto. This is just getting going. Wait until year over year this expands and grows out. It's going to add a lot of value to the cryptocurrencies we invest in, such as Algo. Algorand fixes all the issues Ethereum has to make it scalable. This is why they've always chose Algo. Algorand Algo token is the first global tokenization infrastructure for agro commodities, is partnering with Pomelo and Algorand as strategic allies for the implementation and development of a card designed for the agricultural sector. Last month, Algo Token announced a partnership with Visa, the world-leading company in digital payments, to co-create a payment method that enables agriculture products to users their grains as a form of payment through a card. The goal of this collaboration is to design a digital solution that allows the emission of digital and physical cards under Visa standards and enable the use of financial tools and products for a smooth payment experience using the Algo token and Visa features. Along these lines, Algo token incorporates Pomelo as the infrastructure to issue, distribute, and process the payments made with the card, which will soon be supported in any store that accepts Visa. I like this a lot because it shows real world use case being utilized right now in the real world. Integrating Pomelo and Algorand into its existing partnership with Visa shows the versatility of our crypto assets. Algo token is here to change the agriculture sector, not only in Argentina but in the whole region. And this is possible thanks to various companies and platforms that supported us and our expansion into new horizons. And tokenization is also tied into this as well. This is something that's going to grow year over year. And when other countries take notice to this, they will integrate it also. Social media built on Algorand, empowering free speech and unprecedented customization. Now, I like this also because this is something that's going to grow all throughout Web3 as time goes on. Your place is a testament to our belief in the boundless potential of a truly free and open internet, said Knops, the visionary behind Your Place. We have witnessed the evolution of social media, often at a cost of user freedom and privacy. Our mission with your place is to establish an uncensorable platform that returns control to the users while cryptographically safeguarding free speech. Now, I'm all about free speech. And right now, they're coming up with this new Misinformation Act here in the US. And I believe it stomps all over free speech because our US government puts out more misinformation than any person ever will online. And most of the misinformation that they call it is us waking people up to the facts that are going on behind the scenes in our government. But your place looks like a great project. And again, coming to Algorand, funding the Algorand ecosystem. And this shows how well rounded Algo actually is. DeFi and stablecoin, art and music, NFTs, gaming, oracles and bridges, infrastructure, and it grows year over year. Look at the ecosystem around Algo. That alone should make you invest in this cryptocurrency. It's absolutely incredible. What is Algorand? So let's take a look. Permissionless blockchain. Algorand is a decentralized, permissionless blockchain network open for everyone to participate in and build on. Pure proof of stake. Algorand's consensus mechanism is pure proof of stake, offering energy efficient and fast transaction processing. Smart contracts. Algorand supports creating and deploying smart contracts, enabling complex, programmable transactions and decentralized applications. Scalability. Algorand's architecture is designed for high throughput and low latency, enabling it to scale and handle millions of daily transactions. That's going to become more and more important as time goes on and that new financial system rolls out. This comes from House of Chimera. Check them out over on Twitter. Unique selling points of Algorand. Instant transaction finality. Algorand transactions are finalized within seconds without the need for confirmations, reducing the risk of forks and double spending. We actually seen double spending happening with Bitcoin recently when it was being congested, and Binance delisted it for, well, not delisted it, halted transactions on Bitcoin for a while. Adaptive security. Algorand's PPOS mechanism resists various attacks, including Sybil and long-range attacks, ensuring network security. Borderless economy. Algorand aims to create a frictionless global economy with fast, secure, and low-cost cross-border transactions. Sounds a lot like XRP and XLM and XDC as well. That's why Algo is tied in with ISO. Simplified smart contracts. Algorand smart contracts are based on Algorand's standard asset model, making it easy for developers to create and deploy custom tokens and dApps. Low traction fees. Algorand's efficient consensus mechanism allows for low transaction fees, making it more accessible for various use cases. When people utilize something, they want it to be fast, they want it to be cheap, and they want it to be secure. That's what makes Algo such a great network. What about the token, though? So you see, governance. Algo holders can vote on network upgrades and decisions, influencing the future development of the Algorand ecosystem. Staking. Algo holders can participate in staking, earning rewards for helping secure the network. Staking is really important because during a bear market, it allows you to earn. In the future, you're going to earn passive income from that as well, especially when these cryptocurrencies are at much higher prices. You will be able to put your crypto to work for you, so you don't have to go to work. Access to services. Holding Algo tokens grant access to various services and applications built on the Algorand ecosystem, such as decentralized finance platforms and tokenized assets. Like I said, multi-trillion-dollar industry, tokenization. Collateral for smart contracts. Algo can be used as collateral in smart contracts, providing a mechanism for trustless decentralized transactions. And transaction fees. Algo is used to pay transaction fees on the Algorand network, including transfers, smart contract execution, and asset creation. It's a great cryptocurrency and it has to be utilized at the same time. But what about the price of algo in the future? Now, they're saying here by 2030, the price of algo may fluctuate between $69 and $83. I think by 2030, algo is going to be at a much higher price. By then, the new financial system will be up and running. A lot of transactions will be taking place. I still feel algo is going to be the security layer of that new financial system as well. But you hold it now and you could buy it very cheap now. People in the future are going to look back to this time and wish they were buying crypto at the prices we're getting it at right now. Everybody said it around Bitcoin. Think about it. How many times have you thought to yourself, if I could go back in time, I would have bought a pile of Bitcoin? Because it ran all the way up to $69,000. Well, think about if algo was to hit $100 in the future. People will wish they could go back and buy at these prices we're getting it at now. That's why it's so important to continue stacking your bags while you still can. But never overinvest. Only invest whatever you could afford to lose. This way you could stay patient. While these networks are getting built out and everything's getting put in place, you could stay patient on the sidelines and wait it out. Then one day, all of a sudden, you wake up and you have financial freedom. Because that's what brought you into crypto in the first place. Algo has the ability to set you financially free. As long as you continue to stay patient, stay positive, and continue holding. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.